guys, I hope you're well and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a requested video. I kind of thought I did one recently, but basically it's my updated skincare routine video. I thought I did one recently and I kind of talk about skincare a lot on my Instagram stories and my Instagram, but you guys wanted an updated skincare video, so here it is. So I'm going to talk to you about my routine, just like my everyday routine, and then just like some things that I like randomly use a couple of weeks, like face masks and for breakouts. But I have got the skincare SOS video as well, so I don't want to kind of go too much into kind of like breakouts and stuff because it's all there. Fun fact, I've noticed that whenever I do skincare videos, I always wear white. I don't know why. I think it makes me feel like I look fresher and my skin looks cleaner if I'm wearing white. Okay, so I'm going to start off. I wake up in the morning, brush my teeth and cleanse. So the cleanser I use in the morning, I'm going to talk to you about my morning routine and the nighttime routine because they are different. The cleanser that I use in the morning is this. I've been loving at the moment. It's the Samaya Ayurvedic Skincare Hydrating Cleanser. I've talked about this on my Instagram, but it's basically, you have to do kind of like a little bit of a quiz to find out what your dosha is, and then according to like your skin dosha. So mine is Pitta. Honestly, since I've been using this, I have been having much less breakouts, especially when it's like around the time of my month and stuff. I normally tend to get a lot of breakouts, but since I've been using this, my skin's been really behaving. I mean, of course you still get the odd breakout, but they don't seem to be hormonal, which makes me think this really is my... Sorry, I'm just looking outside my window. There's like a massive crowd of people just on the high street. I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, so this makes me think that this really is my dosha. So if you want to read more about like what your dosha is and stuff like that, I will leave the website below because it's really interesting. Yeah, I've been loving this cleanser. I use it on dry skin. So I basically brush my teeth and then I just take this into my hands, massage it in, and then wash it off with a cloth, and it just feels amazing on your skin, and it's been really working well for my skin. Then I have a shower. I come out of the shower and the first thing I put on my face is this Vichy Mineral 89 Hydrating Daily Booster. I noticed such a massive difference. When I ran out of this after the first time I used it, I was just like, oh, it's not a big deal, just like use something else. No. Winter, summer, whatever, this stuff is amazing. Just keeps your skin so hydrated. Everyone used to rave on about this. I've seen like literally everyone talks about this all the time, and there's a reason, because it is just literally so amazing. Like, this stuff is so good. You have to try it. You can get it in like Boots, a lot of pharmacies, like local pharmacies and stuff like that, Paris or France, if you're in France. But yeah, this Vichy Mineral 89 is your one for dry skin, and if you want like hydrated skin, it is really good. It makes such a massive difference. So I use that every single day when I come out of the shower. The serum I'm using at the moment is this Antipodes one. I say Antipodes, some people say Antipodes. Which one? I don't know. But anyway, this is the skin brightening serum. It's really nice. It's brown. If I put it on your hand, you're like, whoa, and I want to put it on my hand, but it's fine. It just blends into your skin. Skin feels so smooth after. It's so nice. It's a water-based serum, so it helps to restore the moisture back into your skin. But again, it is really just so lovely, and it just kind of like sinks into your skin straight away. And then you can put your moisturizer on, and my moisturizer is always embryoless Lait-Crème concentrate. It does not change. It's always this one. I love it. This moisturizer is just so good. Once in a while I'll step away from it because I'm trying something else or trialing something else, but no matter what, I would always come back to this moisturizer because it's so good. Obviously I put on some lip balm, and I'm just loving the Emborian lip balm. Speaking of Emborian, so basically if I'm kind of just getting ready for work, I do my skincare routine and then I'll go straight into kind of put my primer, do my makeup, whatever. If I'm just kind of about to do a workout at home or just around the house, I don't like to just kind of leave my skin, especially if I'm doing a workout. So before a workout, I won't always have a shower. What I'll do is I'll either put a face mask on, or I will put this Smashbox primer oil on, just so I'm getting something good is happening to my skin while I'm working out, as well as the workout obviously. But yeah, I'll just put this primer oil on, and it just kind of makes my skin just feel good, and then I'll go in the shower and go into my skincare routine. If I'm doing the skincare routine and I'm having like a no makeup day, or well, I'm having a no makeup day but I need to like pop out to go and do the school run, or just pop across the road to go to Tesco or something like that, I use this Arborian Bamboo Glow CheerioFX cream. It just kind of makes me look like I've got a filter on my face. It just kind of like makes everything dewy and like Instagram filter blurry. It's just really nice, and it's also really good for your skin, giving me hydration. It's like a cocktail. It says like I think it was described as a hydration cocktail for your skin, and look how pretty the packaging is. So yeah, I use that, or on a day where I just feel like my skin looks really dull and not glowing, then I'll kind of use this one. Then obviously once in a while, like, so you know, once a week at least, I try to do a face mask, and there's some great face masks I am loving at the moment. Actually this morning I used this Biore Whipped Nourishing Detox mask. It feels so nice. It literally feels like whipped cream on your face. It's so lovely. Nice detox for your skin. I've talked about this one before, but the Antipodes Manuka Honey Mask. This is such a good face mask. I really like this, especially if I feel myself breaking out. I'll get this on. It's a good one. Another one I've been loving is another Antipodes one. It's the Halo Skin Brightening mask. It's grape, kiwi and peony petal. It's just a nice mask. It kind of like a mud mask. Smells so good. It goes dry. This Biore one doesn't harden or go dry. It will just stay as like whipped cream. You only need this for 5 minutes. This one is so light, 15 minutes. So this is my kind of like workout mask. I'll wear this when I'm doing a workout. This one, another 15-minute one, but my workouts are normally like 45 minutes, so I don't mind keeping this for 45 minutes. I wouldn't keep anything that kind of hardens or changes in texture on for longer than the recommended time, so I wouldn't keep this on my face for 45 minutes. But the Hanukkah Money Mask, I would keep overnight, like not all over my face, but just in the breakout areas. And another mask I've been loving recently, which you can't really have for workout, and it's literally like for 2-3 minutes, is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheets. Oh my god, it's just so good. I love the bubbles. You've got to try it. It's just so much fun. But this is basically a lovely, like a deep cleansing oxygen mask. It's so good. But you've got to try it because it's just so much fun. It's the bubbles that make it fun. I mean, I just love bubbles. Yeah, and it's literally like 2 or 3 minutes. Like you put the sheet mask on, and then you take it off, and then you rub the bubbles, and then you literally leave for 3 minutes, and then you're done. You just wash your face and carry on with your life as normal. Generally, I do love sheet masks. The only thing with sheet masks is that you need to just lay there and stay still and relax. And I don't do that very well. I need to be moving, I need to be doing something. So I have a lot of sheet masks, and if I find a moment where I can just lay there for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, which is hardly ever, I'll do them. But I like to have the other masks where you don't have to stay still. Because for the sheet mask you can't be working out, it can just slip off. But I like this one because it's only like 3 minutes. I can do 3 minutes of staying still. And a quick breakout must have. If I feel myself having a breakout, I'll get this La Roche-Posay anti-blemish on it straight away. But please look at my skincare SOS video. The video will be really helpful for kind of like skincare SOS and breakout stuff. Nighttime. So at nighttime I will use makeup remover or whatever to actually remove my makeup. I won't just go straight into cleansing. I will use a makeup remover first. An eye makeup remover to remove my makeup. Take my eye makeup off with eye makeup remover on a cotton bud, and then I basically take this one of 2 cleansers. At the moment I'm using this one. It's basically finished because you could just roll it out, but now I'm kind of like digging into it. But anyway, this is the Tri-Balm 3-in-1 cleanser. So it cleanses, exfoliates and moisturizes. So you basically just, it's like you just put it on straight with a stick all over your face, dry face. Cleanse it, rub it all in, massage it, kind of like get all the makeup off. I will take any extra stuff off my eyes, and then I basically just take warm wet flannel, and you'll literally see your face, like all the makeup come off. It is so good, and your skin feels so smooth and so moisturized after it. It doesn't feel dry at all. So it's a really lovely cleanser. I just love using this. I get so excited to use it. Even though I can't put it on that way anymore because it's finishing. There's quite a lot kind of like dipped inside. It just smells so nice. It just smells of like going to bed. I like it. And then the other cleanser I like is the Elemis cleansing balm. Again, it just smells, oh my god, it smells like a spa. It smells so good. Again, just take it on your finger, rub it in your hands, massage it in. It's just so lovely. Like, I can't explain to you how nice it smells, these cleansers. Again, feels so moisturising. This has obviously got oil in it as well, so it kind of like does the job of a cleansing oil, but it's a cleansing balm. It's really lovely. Then I will dry my face, and 2 to 3 times a week. I don't use this every day. The Time Bomb ABC vitamin solution. I did an Instagram post on this recently, but this has got like so much vitamins A, B and C to reduce multiple signs of anti-aging. Once you get into your like mid-30s, you start to think about this stuff, so this is a good one. So I basically just use 1 to 2 pumps all over my face, let it sink in for a bit, then I follow it, but I only use it 2 to 3 times a week. And then every night I use this Beauty Pie, the Juju Overnight Moisture Super Infusion. This is a really lovely thick night cream. Like, when you get up in the morning, you can still feel kind of like the cream on you. It's just so lovely. I wake up and my skin just feels plumped, never dry. It's really lovely night cream. And obviously Beauty Pie, I don't know if you know about Beauty Pie. If not, I will leave the details below, but I am loving Beauty Pie at the moment. Like, I think the retail price for this is like £80, but on Beauty Pie it's around, I want to say 11, but it might be 20. But oh my god, it's just so good, and Beauty Pie generally is really good, so just check it out if you haven't. Once in a while, maybe like once a week, just go in with the Caudalie overnight detox oil, just to give my skin a nice detox. In the morning I just feel nice and detoxed, basically. Just like a lovely oil. I've talked about this before as well because it's just so nice. Eye cream. I always have a nice thick eye cream. Like, I'll literally lather it on here, under my eyes, over my eyes, up to my eyebrows. Like, just really, you know, get in all the fine lines and get that moisture in the eyes. So at the moment I'm using the Anne Semenin Miracle Eye Cream. It's Miracle Eye Contour and Anti-Wrinkle Cream, which is always good for under the eyes. So I've been loving that, but just generally, with eye creams I'm not fussy. Just like, as long as there's an eye cream being used every single night, I'm happy. So yeah, there you go. That's all my updated skincare routine. Yeah, that is my skincare video updated. I hope you liked the video. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will get back to you. Got some good tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.